If you are applying for or renewing a UK passport in 2026, there is a strict new rule that catches people out. Your photo now has to be very recent, and the passport office is enforcing it hard. Here is exactly what a UK passport photo needs this year, so yours is accepted, and how to make one free. The big change first. Under the latest photo standards, your UK passport photo must be taken within the last 1 month. It used to be more relaxed, but examiners now reject any photo that was clearly taken earlier, even if everything else is perfect. So do not reuse an old photo. Take a fresh one right before you apply. Size. A printed UK photo is 35 by 45 millimeters with no border. For the digital online service, upload a clear photo where your head and shoulders fill the frame, and your face from chin to crown takes up most of the height. Background. The UK does not want pure white. It must be a plain, light gray or cream background, evenly lit, with no shadows behind you and nothing else in the frame. A plain light wall works well. Your face. Look straight at the camera with a neutral expression and your mouth closed. No smiling. Eyes open and clearly visible. No glasses, and no hat or head covering unless it is worn for religious or medical reasons. Making it. Take the photo on a plain, light background in good light, then crop it to size and clean the background with a free tool like IDPhotoSnap. It prepares a UK-ready file for the printed or the digital online application without ever editing your face. So, taken within the last month, 35 by 45 millimeters, a plain light gray background, neutral face, no glasses. Make it free in your browser and it stays on your device. Link is in the description. Good luck with your passport.